Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Deepseek AI not loading. I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, tap on the search bar and search for Deepseek. From the search results, find the link with deepseek.com and head over to that website. You can download the app of Deepseek AI too. For now, I'll open up its web interface. Over here, if you already have an account, you can simply log in. If you don't, you can see the sign up option, tap on it. You can create a new account for yourself here. But due to Deepseek AI being widely used nowadays, it faces the server outage time and again. So sometimes you won't be able to sign up for yourself, or you cannot even log in. So what you can do is, in the search bar of your browser, you can search for Deepseek status and head over to this first link. In this page, you'll find out if the Deepseek AI optimization is working or not. In the graph over here, if you see the red line, it means it is having the server outage right now, and you have to wait until it turns to green signal. That's the one reason the Deepseek AI is not loading for you. Another thing is, if you have the Deepseek AI app installed in your phone and it is not loading at all, what you can do is head over to your Play Store. In the search bar, search for Deepseek and head over to the apps page. In this page, instead of this open button, you might also see the update option sometime. If you see the update option, you can simply tap on it to update the app. You can also fix the Deepseek AI not loading in your phone. So that's it, you can try out these various techniques. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.